नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयच्यान सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल पणजेन स्टार्ट जाता. सेरेंडिपिटी म्हणजे कितें आनी गोंयकारां खातीर सेरेंडिपिटीन कितें आसतलें, कितें पळोवपाक मेळटलें हे सगळे जाणून घेवपा खातीर आमी मेळपाक आयला अपूर्वा गुप्ता, वन ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझर ऑफ सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल. आपका नाम क्या है?
Apurva Gupta. I'm a part of Serendipity Arts. I take care of the alliances and partnership. Right now I am at Serendipity, which will be happening from 15th to 23rd, and you all are welcome here. Please do come. I've been asked many times कि serendipity का मतलब क्या है. So serendipity का मतलब है all of a sudden, it's an accident happened. So by accident it doesn't mean the actual accident. So for example, if you talk about you are traveling in a plane and you have a seat but you don't know who is next to your seat, and all of a sudden there is Sachin Tendulkar sitting next to you. So it's all of a sudden, which is serendipity. I mean, happened on a sudden way. So that's what serendipity is. That's where the lot of festival happening here. That's happening in the, so आप जैसे for example आप आ रहे हो थिएटर देखने, लेकिन you jump into a very different genre of work. आप आए हो थिएटर देखने लेकिन आप म्यूजिक देखने चले जा रहे हो. So it's happening on a sudden basis. That's what serendipity is all about. There's a lot to explore, not only for adults, but we have lots for the kids. We have art park, we have think arts, and not only for the kids, we have special projects for the kids who are partially disabled. We have Census project, which is taken care by Siddhant, who is our curator for the accessibility. We have theatre, we have Foundry, one of the zone where you have all the performances happening. We have the biggest venue which is known as Nagali Hills. Today the performance is Zakir Hussain, who will be performing today. Please do come. It's all day. There is new surprises, new elements to explore. That's what serendipity is all about. Thank you.
You just mentioned about partial disability. Is there this venue is disable friendly?
Yeah, so you will figure out everywhere we have these the special where they can read and write. We have access to them everywhere. At the registration counter we have guidebook for the people to really touch and feel if they are not able to see it. That's what we have made sure. We have ramps, we have wheelchairs for the kids. We have volunteers trained specially to give them guide. We have also some of the programming which is specially based for these wheelchair accessible or partially disabled people who can really explore. Last year we had amazing project by one of the theatre artists who were actually doing theatre on a wheelchair. So we have it's not only for the people who can come and visit, but it's everybody. That's what serendipity is all about. Everybody, like from a kid, from a 2-year-old kid to a 20, 40, 80-year-old people, everybody has something or the other to explore.
How many Goan artists are participating in this?
I mean, I don't have an actual number, but there are a lot. And through serendipity there is a lot of things for people to explore. We have Goan cuisines here, we have Goan restaurants who are participating, we have artists all around who are participating. We have thanks to Goa government who has provided us these venues. We have a lot of exhibitions, we have a lot of paintings who are done by the Goan only. So these you can explore while you move around to the places. While you explore the Donna Paula or any part of the Goa, the wall paintings, the street art you see, these are all done by the Goan artists and the artists from the serendipity who are participating.
आम्ही आता ऐकले की सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल हे 9 दिसां खातीर पणजे ह्या वेगवेगळ्या भागान आसतले. फक्त व्हडल्या खातीर न्ही, भुरग्यां खातीर सुद्दां वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम आसतले. वचून तेजो आनंद घेवपाक तुमी विसरनाकात. तशेंच डिजेबल्ड लोकां खातीर सुद्दां हांगसर सुवात केल्ली आसा. तेंच्या खातीर व्हीलचेअर आनी सगळे प्लेस डिजेबल्ड फ्रेंडली आसा. तुमी मुद्दामूच येवचे आनी सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल हो पळयचो आनी हेजो लाभ घेवचो. तुमी पळयतात GNH कौशल पालेकरा बरोबर हांव हनुमान नगलूर.